Daffodil Computers Ltd. has been a leader in Bangladesh's IT industry for over 30 years. Established in 1990, it became the first public-listed IT company in the country. This milestone helped Daffodil Computers shape the way people and organizations use technology in Bangladesh. From the beginning, Daffodil Computers has empowered communities and businesses with innovative tech solutions. In 2003, it made history again by being the first IT company listed on the Dhaka Stock Exchange. Daffodil introduced the first local brand PC in Bangladesh, making technology more accessible. Recently, they took this a step further by launching the DCL laptop, further demonstrating their commitment to providing quality, locally made technology. The company has worked on major government projects like the Bangladesh Railway Online Ticketing System and the Chittagong Port Container Terminal project. These projects show Daffodil's ability to handle large-scale operations and provide valuable services. They offer a wide range of products, including custom software, hardware solutions, and networking services. Daffodil Computers is committed to quality and excellence. They stay updated with global technology trends while also focusing on local needs. As a socially responsible company, Daffodil invests in education and skill development to help the community grow. Looking to the future, Daffodil Computers aims to keep pushing innovation and technology in Bangladesh. They want to ensure quality, trust, and efficiency in all their services, empowering the next generation of technology users and creators. Daffodil Computers Ltd. Empowering the future, connecting lives.